Hey guys, welcome back to Fins to Feathers. Just wanted to give you guys a quick product review. I didn't really intend to do a review, but I ordered this stuff. I'm gonna use it for real. We'll see if it works or see if it doesn't. I'm not sponsored by this product or anything like that. I just was scrolling through my Instagram feed one day and it was suggested as a rust remover and chrome dehazer, things like that. So we're gonna check it out and see what it does. My 1950 Buick, we just got done washing our cars up because we got a little event we're gonna go to this weekend, and some of the chrome on there and stainless is a little hazy. So we're gonna see what this stuff does and just see what it's all about. They have a couple of other products that I'm very interested in as well, and if this stuff does any kind of good, then I certainly will be ordering from this company again. But we'll have to test it out and see what happens first. So let's see what it does. If you're anything like us, when you pick up a project car or even your own old rusty car, there's a couple of spots where are less than perfect or sometimes even downright rusty through the chrome and everything. So I'm anxious to see. There's a lot of things going around in my mind that I could put this line of products to use for if it works well. Supposedly you just spray it on, let it sit for about 20 seconds and spray it off with a pressure washer. I don't have a pressure washer on hand. Sorry about that, we got to turn that to spray instead of stream. I don't have a pressure washer on hand, but I do have a hose. This side we're just going to spray it and see what happens after it sits. The other side I have a piece of quadruple aught steel wool, and I'm just going to kind of give a little scrubbing to that, and we'll see what happens. We're just going to hold on this while it activates, and then we'll give it a little rinse. They say water spot remover as well, so if you have any hard water spots, I've seen a couple of their videos where they're using this inside in like a bathroom setting as well. So even around the house, if this stuff works pretty well, maybe give it a shot. We'll have to see how it goes here. It seems like that's been roughly 20 seconds or so. I don't want to let it sit on there too long just in case. Never used anything like this before, so we'll see. Gonna give it a quick rinse. We'll let that dry off for a minute. We'll come back and see what it looks like up close. Well, wasn't super happy with the difference that it made over there, so we're gonna try spraying the whole thing down. I got some of this quadruple aught steel wool and just gonna kind of give it a light scrubbing while it's activating, and we'll see. I got high hopes for this product, so I don't wanna give up on it just yet. And if you happen to be the MADacid guy watching this, if I'm doing something wrong, definitely drop a comment. Let me know a way that we can improve the method. But like I said, I'm not giving up on it yet. We'll see what happens. Maybe it pulls through. But there is still a lot of haziness on this thing. And the videos that I've seen, it seemed like they were going after stuff that was a little farther gone than this, or at least worse off in the moment. So
definitely got that rust off of it.
Yeah.
I've watched it. Definitely got that rust off of it right there. Well, I can tell you it most definitely cut the rust off the in-between them, you know, where there was, in between the grill teeth where there was like rust coming through. It definitely cut that off, and around where they're bolted to the bumper where it had stained it, it definitely cut all that off of it. I feel like
it's not a miracle cure-all.
I feel like that if your chrome is good and it's just dirty, then this is a good spray-on, hose-off product. But I feel like that really to get the benefits of it, you're going to need to activate it with some sort of brush rag, steel wool, something.
Now, they do have another product called Rust and Iron Remover.
Right.
And it is a little bit stronger. And I will be trying some of that just to see. I'm still curious enough. This worked good enough that I'll check another product of theirs out and see what's going on. And that's supposed to be the much more hardcore stuff. We're over here breaking a sweat in February in Florida. It's about 70, 75 degrees. And we're putting a little work in. But it's a nice day. We got an event coming up this weekend, so we're just trying to get a little ready for it. We're gonna let it dry for a second and then we'll see up close what happened. I have some before shots, so we'll do some side-by-side comparison. All dry, so let's get an up close look. You know, I will say that I don't believe that this stuff is any kind of miracle cure-all, but I am glad that I have added it to my arsenal in the detailing bucket. There are definitely times where this stuff comes in handy, and I will say that it made getting all that rust off of there, I mean, as easy almost as washing the car. I had to scrub on it just a little bit, but you know, there are instances where you probably could spray it on and just wipe it off of there. I'm going to come back with a wax and seal this stuff to try to prevent further damage. And you know, overall, I'll say Mad Detailing. I will be checking out their products again. I'm gonna check out some of that iron remover. I have a 49 Pontiac that you guys will be seeing shortly called Patina Turner, and she's called Patina Turner for a reason. So we're gonna check out some of that stuff on there and see kind of what it does. But we definitely appreciate you guys checking it out. And again, not sponsored by Mad Detailing. If I did something wrong, feel free to check us out in the comments definitely subscribe and ring the bell if you want to stay up to date on what we're doing. And you know, maybe we'll get you some footage from the event that we have coming up this weekend. But y'all have a good one.